Hey yo, what's good? Welcome back to the channel, no? And we are still on our reaction series, no? Of course, still on Philip's album, Seven Sins. And today, we are going to react to the fourth track na napakinggan natin, no? So, ang title nun is, napapakinggan pala natin, I mean. Title nun is Envy. Alright, so, bumalik na tayo dun sa sa yung mga pinaka kabilang sa Seven Sins. Again, one of those is envy, no? Envy, ginugol ko talaga siya, no? A feeling of discontented or resentful or longing aroused by someone else's possession, qualities, or luck. So, technically, pagkainggit, no? Sa iba. Right? Am I correct? A desire to have a quality possession or other desirable attribute belonging to someone else. Yeah. Yeah. So, parang more like jealousy, right? Yeah, meron nga, envy or jealousy. Is envy being jealous? Envy is when you want what someone else has. Yeah, so yeah. So yeah, I'm actually so curious right now. Kung ano yung magiging tema niya tungkol sa envy dito sa track na to, no? So, well, what are we waiting for now? Without further ado, man. Get it! Sakto. I mean, hindi nyo siguro naririnig, no? Pero umuulan din ngayon, eh, no? So, napapanahon. Ito na ba yung parang scream na hinihintay natin? Or ako lang pala, ako lang pala, no? Nag-assume naman ako natin, no? Ako lang pala. Ito na ba yung scream na hinihintay ko? I mean, kung maririnig nyo, ulit tingnan natin kung tama yung pagkarinig ko. Yeah, ba narinig nyo yun? Parang may scream sa background habang sinisigaw niya yung, oh, she. Parang may nag-i-scream sa background, no? Nice. Hey.
Yeah, got my head up on the cloud, yeah. I'm about to pass out, yeah. Hold up, wait a minute. I'm a bad boy, so independent. I can press, but you can't control me. Don't need it, got manipulate me. Hold me, motherfuckers, get a finish.
Tingnan natin. Try to press.
Pass out, yeah. Hold up, wait a minute. I'm a bad boy, so independent. I can press, but you can't control me. Don't need it.
Tama yung pagkakarinig ko doon? Kakabasa ko?
Yeah, got my head up on the cloud, yeah. I'm about to pass out, yeah. Hold up, wait a minute. I'm a bad boy, so independent. I can press.
Type and press, but you can't control. So, kasi 'di ba, I mean, siguro ang pinapatamaan nyo dito is yung mga basher. Yeah, right? Like talking shit in the internet, like type and press, but you can't control. Pero yung pagkakalagay ng control is like yung control button sa keyboard, like this one. Hindi nyo pala kita. Yeah, this one. No. Nice.
But you can't control me. No media gonna manipulate me.
Hope you motherfuckers get offended. Cause I don't care how you feeling. Oh shit.
Hey.
Bitch, you got a motherfucking me. Bought a ticket.
Alright, so technically, or basically, yung first verse na yun is parang what he mean about that is he don't fucking care about like what you feel, no? So he started to like mention this brands like Balenciaga and Prada, like that, no? Na meron siya, sabi niya 5 stars every week may sinabi yun nun. Basta yun, no? So parang ang relation niya sa envy is para maging jealous yung mga basher niya, di ba? Di ba? I mean, bash kayo ng bash pero ito yung meron ako. So like ba't ako parang mababother sa inyo, no? Dapat kayo ngayong mainggit kasi ako meron ako nito, kayo puro lang kayo type ng type sa internet, no? Talking shit sa internet, but you can't control me, no? It doesn't bother me kung ano yung sinasabi nyo sa internet, no? Nice.
You gone insane. I'm some fine boy, pump with gasoline. They about to fade, too much for the brain. Shit, wait, shit, wait, shit, wait, shit, 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 shit.
Wait, what? Tapos na yun? Oh, man. Sobrang bitin naman yung kanta na yun. Damn. Alright, well again, that's Philip, no? Envy. Again, one of the tracks on his album, Seven Sins. And, I feel like sobrang nabitin tayo doon, no? I mean, pinaka-highlight sa akin doon is yung sumisigaw siya ng oh shit, tapos biglang introduce nitong parang electric guitar, no? And then parang may scream sa background. Yung talaga yung tipong papabounce yung ulo mo, no? Yung pipigilan yung sarili mo sa part na yun, no? Pero ayun na nga. So technically we are back on that like vibe or like say genre, and also him taking shots or talking shit dun sa mga to his bashers, no? I mean, I don't know kung papakinggan to ng mga bashers niya. Most probably kasi nga bashers nga sila, no? I mean, tell you honestly, yung mga bashers, isa yan sa mga pinaka number 1 fan mo in a way, right? Kasi bash sila ng bash pero pinapakinggan ka ng pinapakinggan or sinusundan ka ng sinusundan para lang makapag-bash, no? So, if you think about it, you're more like a fan now, right? Most probably, mas updated pa sila sa mga ibang, parang regular level fan lang ni Philip, no? I feel like they are more updated to, like, what's up with Philip, no? So, yeah, I mean, kung napakinggan nila to, hindi ko na lang alam. Hindi ko na lang alam kung malunod sila. Hindi ko na alam, hindi ko alam kung di sila marunod doon sa flex na yun. Pero I feel like napaka-iksi ng track na to, no? I feel like feel ko yung part ng hook niya. Pero kasi sobrang ikli niya. It's too short, man. It is too short. Damn. I feel like may potential siyang na dito sa parang mini leveling ko ng mga songs niya. Like, I'm rating. Again, that's just for me personally. I'm just giving my 2 cents about it. Like, and also like para marinig nyo kung paano yung parang magiging rating ko para sa sarili ko, right? But I feel like malaki yung potential nito na mag-climb up. Pero I feel like sobrang ikli niya, no? Parang like technically it's just one hook, then verse, then hook, and then done, no? Pero again, Philip didn't disappoint us, no? That song. Pero as of today, last pa rin, no? Hindi naka-move on, no? Last pa din. So yeah, sana gusto nyo yung reaction natin. Medyo maikli, no? Pero tingnan natin susunod na kanta. Susunod na track ng 7 Cents. And if you want me to react, by the way, to your favorite artist, sing a rapper song, no? Nag-react din ako sa ibang klase ng genre. Just comment down below. We're going to react to it. And yeah, that's it for me today. See you on the next vid. Stay awesome.